Hello everyone. Welcome to Vidhera English. Today, we are going to learn some useful vocabulary words in a very easy way. So, let's begin. Our first word is acknowledge. The word acknowledge means to accept, recognize, or admit that something is true, exists, or has happened. It can also mean showing that you have noticed someone, appreciated their efforts, or accepted a fact even if you do not completely like it. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, acknowledge. It means to recognize, admit, or accept something. Example 1. I acknowledge that I made a mistake. Example 2. Although he disagreed with the decision, he acknowledged that it was necessary for the company's growth. Noun, acknowledgement. It means recognition, acceptance, or appreciation of something. Example 1. She received acknowledgement for her hard work. Example 2. His award was an acknowledgement of the years of dedication he had shown to the organization. Adjective, acknowledged. It means generally accepted or recognized by people. Example 1. She is an acknowledged expert in child psychology. Example 2. He has become an acknowledged leader whose opinions are respected across the industry. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is courtesy. The word courtesy refers to polite behavior, respect, and good manners shown towards other people. It can also refer to an act of kindness done to make someone feel comfortable or respected. Now let's look at its word forms. Noun, courtesy. It means politeness or a kind act. Example 1. He treated the guests with courtesy. Example 2. As a courtesy, the hotel arranged transportation for the elderly couple. Adjective, courteous. It means polite and respectful. Example 1. The receptionist was very courteous. Example 2. Even during the argument, she remained courteous and spoke calmly. Adverb, courteously. It means in a polite and respectful manner. Example 1. He courteously greeted everyone. Example 2. The manager courteously explained why the request could not be accepted. Now let's learn our next word. The next word is abate. The word abate means to become less strong, less severe, or less intense. It is commonly used for things like pain, fear, anger, noise, storms, pollution, or problems that gradually reduce over time. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, abate. It means to reduce in strength or become weaker. Example 1. The rain began to abate after midnight. Example 2. Her anxiety slowly abated when the doctor explained that the situation was not serious. Noun, abatement. It means a reduction or decrease in something unpleasant. Example 1. There was little abatement in the traffic during the festival season. Example 2. The government introduced new policies for the abatement of air pollution in major cities. The next word is quota. The word quota refers to a fixed number, amount, or target that must be achieved, supplied, or allowed within a particular period of time. Now let's look at its word form. Noun, quota. Example 1. Our team has to meet this month's sales quota. Example 2. Despite several challenges, the company successfully exceeded its annual production quota. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is imply. The word imply means to suggest or indicate something indirectly without clearly stating it. The listener usually understands the hidden meaning from the speaker's words, tone, or actions. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, imply. It means to suggest something indirectly. Example 1. Are you implying that I am wrong? Example 2. His comments seem to imply that the company might make major changes in the future. Noun, implication. It means a possible meaning, effect, or result. Example 1. I did not understand the implication of his words. Example 2. The decision could have serious implications for small businesses. Adjective, implicit. It means suggested but not directly stated. Example 1. There was implicit criticism in her statement. Example 2. The agreement contained an implicit understanding that both sides would cooperate. Adverb, implicitly. It means in an indirect or unquestioning manner. Example 1. She implicitly trusted her parents. Example 2. The employees implicitly accepted the manager's authority. Now let's learn our next word. The next word is sacred. The word sacred describes something that is considered holy, deeply respected, or connected with religion and spirituality. It can also refer to something that a person values so much that it should not be disturbed or disrespected. Now let's look at its word forms. Adjective, sacred. It means holy, highly respected, or extremely important. Example 1. The river is considered sacred by many people. Example 2. For her, spending time with family is a sacred tradition that should never be ignored. Noun, sacredness. It means the quality of being holy or highly respected. Example 1. People admired the sacredness of the temple. Example 2. The guide explained the sacredness of the place and why visitors should behave respectfully. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is praise. The word praise means expressing admiration, approval, or appreciation for someone or something because of their qualities, achievements, or actions. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, praise. It means to express admiration or appreciation. Example 1. The teacher praised me for my presentation. Example 2. Everyone praised her because she handled the difficult situation with great maturity. Noun, praise. It means words of admiration or approval. Example 1. He received a lot of praise for his work. Example 2. The young singer earned widespread praise after her performance at the national competition. Adjective, praiseworthy. It means deserving appreciation or admiration. Example 1. Helping needy people is a praiseworthy act. Example 2. His efforts to improve education in rural areas are truly praiseworthy. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is myth. The word myth refers to a traditional story, especially one involving gods or supernatural events. In modern English, it is also used for a widely believed idea that is actually false. Now let's look at its word forms. Noun, myth. Example 1. It is a myth that studying all night always gives better results. Example 2. Greek mythology contains many fascinating myths about gods and heroes. Adjective, mythical. It means existing only in legends or stories. Example 1. The dragon is a mythical creature. Example 2. The island became almost mythical because very few people had ever visited it. Noun, mythology. It means a collection of myths or traditional stories. Example 1. I enjoy reading Indian mythology. Example 2. Many movies today are inspired by ancient mythology and legends. Now let's learn our next word. The next word is hilarious. The word hilarious describes something that is extremely funny and causes a lot of laughter. Now let's look at its word forms. Adjective, hilarious. It means extremely funny. Example 1. The comedian was hilarious. Example 2. The way he described the incident was so hilarious that everyone started laughing. Noun, hilarity. It means great amusement and laughter. Example 1. His joke caused hilarity in the classroom. Example 2. The entire audience burst into hilarity when the actor forgot his dialogue. Adverb, hilariously. It means in an extremely funny manner. Example 1. She hilariously copied her teacher's expressions. Example 2. The speaker hilariously explained the difference between school life and office life. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is excel. The word excel means to do something extremely well or perform better than others in a particular skill, subject, or activity. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, excel. It means to be exceptionally good at something. Example 1. She excels in mathematics. Example 2. If you practice regularly, you can excel in public speaking as well. Noun, excellence. It means the quality of being extremely good. Example 1. The school is known for academic excellence. Example 2. Achieving excellence requires discipline, patience, and continuous effort. Adjective, excellent. It means extremely good or outstanding. Example 1. You did an excellent job. Example 2. She gave an excellent explanation that even beginners could understand easily. Adverb, excellently. It means in an outstanding manner. Example 1. He performed excellently in the interview. Example 2. The entire team worked excellently and completed the project before the deadline. Now let's learn our next word. The next word is decline. The word decline means to become less, decrease, weaken, or worsen over time. It can also mean politely refusing an invitation, offer, or request. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, decline. It means to decrease or politely refuse. Example 1. I had to decline the invitation. Example 2. The company's profits continued to decline because of increasing competition. Noun, decline. It means a decrease, reduction, or deterioration. Example 1. There has been a decline in sales recently. Example 2. Doctors are worried about the decline in people's physical activity levels. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is grace. The word grace refers to elegance, smoothness, kindness, and polite behavior. It can also mean receiving blessings or handling situations calmly and respectfully. Now let's look at its word forms. Noun, grace. It means elegance, kindness, or blessing. Example 1. She dances with grace. Example 2. Even after losing the competition, he accepted the result with grace. Adjective, graceful. It means elegant and smooth in movement or behavior. Example 1. She is a graceful dancer. Example 2. The athlete made a graceful entrance onto the stage. Adverb, gracefully. It means in an elegant or polite manner. Example 1. She gracefully accepted the award. Example 2. Despite the criticism, he gracefully thanked everyone for their suggestions. Now let's learn our next word. The next word is initial. The word initial refers to something that happens at the beginning or first stage of a process. It can also refer to the first letter of a person's name. Now let's look at its word forms. Adjective, initial. It means first or occurring at the beginning. Example 1. We faced some initial problems. Example 2. The initial response from customers was surprisingly positive. Noun, initial. It means the first letter of a person's name. Example 1. Please write your initials here. Example 2. His initials are printed on all his notebooks. Adverb, initially. It means at first or in the beginning. Example 1. Initially, I found grammar difficult. Example 2. She initially planned to become a doctor but later chose engineering. Now let's move to our next word. The next word is bask. The word bask means to sit, lie, or relax in pleasant warmth, especially in the warmth of the sun, and enjoy it. It is also used figuratively to mean enjoying attention, praise, success, love, or any pleasant situation for some time. Now let's look at its word forms. Verb, bask. It means to enjoy warmth, attention, praise, success, or another pleasant feeling. Example 1. We sat on the beach and basked in the warm sunshine. Example 2. After winning the award, she basked in the admiration and praise she received from everyone. Now let's learn our next word. The next word is knot. The word knot refers to a fastening made by tying rope, string, or cloth. It can also describe a tight feeling in muscles or in the stomach caused by nervousness or stress. Now let's look at its word forms. Noun, knot. It means a fastening made by tying rope, string, or cloth. Example 1. He tied a knot in the rope. Example 2. I had a knot in my stomach before giving my first speech in public. Verb, knot. It means to tie something or become tightly twisted. Example 1. She carefully knotted the scarf around her neck. Example 2. My muscles knotted with tension before the interview. And with this, we have completed today's vocabulary lesson. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please show your support. Please like this video if you enjoyed learning these vocabulary words. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can also improve their English vocabulary. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any new videos. Your support motivates us to create more helpful content for you. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Happy learning!